Why we need vitamin E 400 and vitamin C 500 in our body? It's not only provide a whiter skin and glowing and younger looking skin, but it gives nutrients in our body. The reaction of these two vitamin supplements in our body is the whiters comes from inside. It glows from inside, and you can see it in your skin. It looks younger, the entire body including your face. So combine it. If you take the vitamin E supplements, include also the vitamin C supplement together for the best result. We need to know the vitamins that we take. If it is natural nutrients or synthetic nutrients. Karamihan sa atin gusto tayong pumuti and we want to look younger looking skin. Combine this vitamin C 500 and vitamin E 400 every day so that you will get the best result. Natural nutrients comes from the whole food sources in the diet, and the synthetic nutrients is made artificially, or it is an industrial process that is chemical. To be able to know if it is synthetic or natural, check the level of the bottle. If they put 100% plant or animal base. Synthetic is a chemical, so it depends upon the body how we react. So we have to be careful in buying a vitamin supplements in our body. We have to check either if it is natural nutrients or synthetic. So how we can identify that it is a synthetic? Diba it is common that we heard or we read like chloride, like bitartrate or gluconate or nitrate. That is synthetic. We have to read the ingredients. If the ingredients, you can find it nitrate in the vitamin supplements or palmitate, it is a synthetic. So do not drink the vitamin supplement every day if it contains a synthetic nutrients, because it is not safe in our body. But if it is natural nutrients, it's okay to take this vitamin supplement every day. The best also is we have to ask the doctor for the proper supplement, what kind of brand of the vitamin C and the vitamin E 400 that contains a natural nutrients, because they know that the best way is you have to read the ingredients so that you will be able to know if it is natural nutrients or synthetic nutrients of vitamin supplements. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, activates the body's natural energy and defenses and increase iron absorption. This product is suitable for vegetarians and vegans. Vitamin C is a varied, balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle are important. It is a dietary supplements, are not substitute for a varied diet. What is vitamin C and why we need it in our body? Vitamin C is found in various foods and sold as a dietary supplement. It prevents and treats scurvy. It is a nutrients that repair the tissue and the enzymatic production of certain neurotransmitters. It functions several enzymes. The immune system function. It also functions as an antioxidant. Vitamin C is important in wound healing. It is found in vegetables, fruits, and berries. Ano ba ang vitamin E? Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant. It protects cell membranes from the reactive oxygen species. It contributes as an antioxidant to protect cells from influences of pollution and sunlight. It helps protect healthy body cells and free radicals. Try to take this 1 capsules of vitamin E 400 and 1 capsule of 500 vitamin C every day for 14 days, and you will be amazed the difference of your skin and hair. I do this and it helps a lot. My skin becomes a younger looking and glowing skin, and it makes a whiter and whiter in the inside and to the outside.